Login loop error on Personal Capital fix. If you're stuck in a login loop on the Personal Capital app, where it keeps asking you to log in no matter how many times you try, don't worry, this is a known problem and the fix is simpler than most people think. The issue often happens when the app's cached login tokens don't match the secure session data on Personal Capital's servers. Here's how to get back into your account quickly. First, completely close the app and remove it from your recent apps list. Then, go to your device settings, find apps, select Personal Capital and choose Storage. App Clear Cache and Clear Data. This resets the app and removes any expired session information that's causing the loop. Next, reopen Personal Capital and log in manually using your credentials. Don't use autofill yet, typing them in fresh helps the app rebuild a valid security connection with the server. If the login loop persists, check your phone's time and date settings. Make sure Tire is set to automatic. Personal Capital uses encrypted timestamps to verify your login session, and even a minor mismatch can trigger a loop. Also, disable any VPN proxy or ad blocker you're using. Because Personal Capital handles sensitive financial data, it's very strict about IP verification. A masked or foreign IP can cause your login session to reset repeatedly. If none of these steps work, uninstall and reinstall the app. This ensures you're running the most updated version with any recent bug fixes that resolve login issues. Once you're back in, consider enabling biometric or two-factor authentication for smoother, faster logins in the future. So, if Personal Capital keeps looping you back to the sign-in screen, don't panic, just clear the app data, sync your device time, and avoid pings. These quick steps will have you back analyzing your finances in minutes.